In the vast plains of the Mara, experience nature the depth of its core. Nature is Hulk and towers with an ancient splendor. Nature is wild and ferocious. Nature is conflict, a clash of interest. Nature is playful and animated. Nature is motherly and devotingly caring. Nature is free and untethered. And above all, nature is sentinel, always watchful. What more can anyone desire but to experience reality unbroken, watch the strides of pride made in the wild, and watch the circle of life in its perpetual diversity. Visit the Mara today, for nature awaits your all.